Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Yeah. Here in the video, we will share the details for the GeForce Now error code 0x80030020. The error reads, "The game quit unexpectedly. Try playing again." As per our research, this error occurs when users try to launch any games on GeForce Now, including Rising Storm 2, Vietnam, War Thunder, Outriders and Guilty Gear Xrd Rev 2. According to our research, this error is often related to server-side issues, cache problems or network conflicts. Most of the time, this error is due to server issues, so before trying anything, visit status.geforcenow.com to check if the GeForce Now servers are down. If so, then wait till the servers come back to normal. If the servers are working fine and you're playing via a browser, then try clearing your browser cache and relog into GeForce Now. Give this a try and see if this helps. If clearing the cache didn't work, try changing your server region under GeForce Now and check if the error still persists. If switching servers also doesn't help, try using a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. A network-related issue may also be causing the problem. If the error still comes, then try this, especially if you're playing CSGO. Click on your account in the top right of the GeForce Now menu. Then click Open Steam. Then try playing the game directly from the Steam library. If you receive a message saying the executable couldn't be found, let the game install, and it should run correctly. If you've tried all the previous steps and still get the error, wait for a few hours and try again. If the issue persists, reach out to GeForce Now support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.